In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in GTA 5. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the car mod or bike mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I choose this Mercedes AMG CLE 53 add-on car and 2021 Ducati Superleggera V4 add-on bike. Once you downloaded the mod you like, check my video description for this Visual V graphics mod and add-on vehicle spawner, Manio, and Scripto V. Once you download these mods, right click on Scripto V and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR, Open bin, and then close stuff here and open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager and install all three. Once you're done, close and select edit mode and select yes option. Drag and drop all these files inside a GTA 5 folder. Then go back and open add-on spawner. Drag and drop these two files inside of our GTA 4. Go back, open manual SP, drag and drop this ASI and this folder inside of a game folder. Open the Visual V installation Viva mod package. Drag and drop this OIV file inside. Select this install option. If it doesn't have mods folder created in a GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to create a mods folder in GTA 5. Once created, select the mods folder, confirm installation. Once this installation done, close stuff here and go back and open the bike mod legacy. Try and drop this bike mod to desktop and then go back and open the car mod. Inside you can able to see dlc.rpf. Drag and drop this car mod to desktop. Once you've done this, open mods, update, update.rpf, common, data, scroll down, DLC list, right click and select the edit option. Scroll down to the bottom, copy this last text and next to item press enter and paste the text. Again paste the text. So we are going to add two vehicles. So inside the vehicle you can able to see dlc.rpf. Right click on the vehicle name and select rename, copy the name, paste right in this two slash. Same thing for this car mod, rename, copy the name, paste right in this two slash, and then select save option. Go back to the GTA 5, open mod, update, x64, DLC packs. Drag and drop these two folder inside this DLC packs. Once you drop this, both are in here. Launch the game, everything is done. Once you are in game, press F5 to open up this add-on spawner. Using the up arrow and down arrow choose option, press enter to select option. To go back, press the backspace key. Go to search vehicles. Here are the vehicles we added. Choose the vehicle you like to spawn. And I already have spawned those two vehicles in front of me. To show you guys, I'm just spawning. Once you spawn the car you like, you can ride them. And press the F8 key to open up this menu. Use the up arrow and down arrow choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, press backspace key. Here you will get lots of options available. To spawn any vehicle, go to vehicle spawner and choose the vehicle type you like to spawn. Choose the car you want to spawn, just press enter to spawn the vehicle. A lot more other options available in here. You can explore on your own. Now I'm gonna drive my dream bike. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.